This is the Johnny Carson skit. I'm in Dragnet, and we'll start out with our music.
Ladies and gentlemen, the story you're about to hear might be true. Names and places have been changed to protect the innocent.
My name's Friday. I'm a cop. I was working the day watch on a burglary. I just checked in at headquarters, and I'm on my way to a burglary at the Acme School Bell Company. Are you Mrs. Crane?
Yes, there's been a robbery.
What happened?
I run a school bill company. I never had any trouble before. I can't understand it. I just make bells. I don't think I've ever had any trouble. I can't understand it.
Ma'am,
What?
what was stolen?
My clappers.
Clappers?
Yes. You know, those things that go clang in the middle of the bell?
Your clangers.
That's right. We call them clappers in the business.
A clapper caper.
Huh? What's that?
Nothing, ma'am. Now, may I have the facts? What kind of clappers were stolen in this caper?
They were copper clappers
And where were they kept?
in the closet.
Clappers in the closet. Do you have any idea who might have taken the copper clappers that were kept in the closet?
Well, just after I fired a man, he swore he'd get even.
Well, what was his name?
Claude Cooper.
So you think that he came?
Yes, that's right. That's right. I think that Claude Cooper copped my copper clappers that were kept in the closet.
Do you know where this Claude Cooper is from?
Yes, Cleveland.
That figures.
What makes it worse is they were clean.
Clean copper clappers.
That's right.
Why do you think that Cleveland's Claude Cooper would cop your clean copper clappers that were kept in the closet?
There's only one reason.
What's that?
He's a kleptomaniac.
Okay. Who first discovered the copper clappers were missing?
My cleaning woman, Clara Clifford.
Well, that figures. Now let's see if I have the facts straight. Cleaning woman Clara Clifford discovered that your clean copper clappers kept in the closet were copped by kleptomaniac Claude Cooper from Cleveland. Is that about it?
One other thing.
What's that?
If we ever catch Cleveland's kleptomaniac Claude Cooper, who copped my clean copper clappers that were kept in the closet,
Yes?
we'll clobber him.
Cleveland's kleptomaniac Claude Cooper was found guilty of larceny and was clapped in the clink for 5 years. Cooper will be eligible for parole in 22 months. The story you have just heard might have been true, but I don't think so.